budget friendly. Charon. Have gifts for... Ang sakit! Hello everyone! Welcome to the 4th episode of our DIY Christmas gift ideas. My name is Em and welcome to my channel. It's almost Christmas. Do you already have gifts for your loved ones? If you still don't have one yet, then you're at the right place. I will be showing you easy and fast DIY gift ideas that you can make right now. These gift ideas are really on a budget. If you still don't have gifts for your loved ones, please comment down below. Tell me what kind of gifts you're planning to give them. If you enjoy these types of videos, please click the like button, share it, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also click on the notification bell so you won't miss out if I upload new videos. Let's not waste any more time. Let's do this before Christmas comes! The first last-minute DIY gift idea is great for your friends and family who loves to be inspired or if they just want to start their year on a positive note. I used PowerPoint to create a nice quote and also used a relaxing background to go with it, printed it out, and placed it in a cute picture frame. I love this frame because of the gold color, which makes it so chic and elegant. The next DIY gift is for my mom, but you can gift this to anyone close to your heart. To create this, all you need to do is to print a really nice picture of your loved one and just put a message or some cute emojis to go with it. And to finish it off, I placed it in a gold picture frame as well. My last DIY gift is also for the ones that you want to inspire and give some positive vibes. All you need to do is print really inspiring quotes, cut it out, and roll it. A tip for a perfect roll is to use a toothpick when rolling it. Place it in a very cute jar and voila! Your friend or family can just pick one quote every morning when they wake up to help them be inspired and motivated throughout the day. Isn't it amazing that with just a simple and very affordable DIY, you can inspire and bring positive vibes to your loved ones? You now have your last minute gift for your friends and family. If you have other gift ideas that are easy to make, please comment it down below. If you want more videos like this, please click on the like button so I know, and then also hit on the subscribe button if you haven't already, and then turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out if I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Keep in mind that there is always something to be grateful for. Thank you. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye.